Welcome traders to this new market game plan for week 6 for Nasdaq futures. So first we're gonna look into the economic calendar for the coming week. So today it's February 1st, 2025, so that means that we have a new month. And February is generally a bullish month for the indices. So that's a small bias for the coming week. Friday, it's the first Friday of the month. So we have NFP release at 8:30 a.m. So whenever we have NFP release, generally Monday and Tuesday are the best days to trade for the week. Wednesday AM session can be tradable as well. For me personally, my trading week stops after the New York AM session because the PM session can be a little unpredictable heading into the NFP release. The day ahead of it, the first day, we do have 8:30 a.m. high impact news driver and 2:30 p.m. FOMC member Waller speaking. But for me, the day ahead of NFP is not a trading day because it tends to create this search and seek and destroy profile. So for me, it's an early weekend. I'm gonna push my risk on Monday when the opportunities present themselves, and I'll do the same on Tuesday. And Wednesday I might do something, but not for sure. So on Monday we do have 9:45 medium impact news driver, and we do have 10 a.m. high and medium impact news driver. So for me personally, I expect the volatility to kick in after 10 a.m. That's when I'm trying to participate something, into Monday's price action. For Tuesday, we do have a 10 a.m. high impact news release, which is the JOLTS job openings. I'm gonna take that into account as well. Expect some nice volatility and nice price action during the news release, or just after it, actually. On Wednesday, we do have 8:15 a.m. ADP non-farm employment change, 9:45 final services PMI, 10 a.m. ISM services PMI, 10:30 a.m. crude oil inventories. And as we just discussed, Thursday at 8:30 a.m. we do have unemployment claims. 2:30 p.m. we do have FOMC member Waller speaking. And for Friday, we do have the NFP release at 8:30 a.m. The main headliner, the main news report for this week. And 10 a.m. we do have the prelim UOM consumer sentiment and the prelim UOM inflation expectations. But again, Monday I'm gonna push my risk. Tuesday I'm gonna push my risk. Wednesday might be a little bit defensive when it comes to assuming risk. Thursday it's just a vacation day for me, and the same goes for Friday. I will tape read these days because I always try to gain more experience, but I'm not. I'm probably sitting on my hands during these days. So, looking into the Nasdaq chart, currently at the monthly. At the monthly, we can see that January traded inside this busy over here. And we've been, let's say bullish for the last 2 years or not even longer. Only 2022 was a bearish year, but so bias still bullish. On the weekly, we don't see any bearish change in the state of delivery yet. So as long as the trend isn't changing, still bullish. So last week, and a huge down close candle created on Monday by the news announcement about DeepSeek, 1000 handle drop in price and quick recovery during the latter part of the week, trading into this volume imbalance, and this high over here, the entire candle. So on the daily, that's where I can define my draw on liquidity for this week. Let's add some lipstick. Not interesting. Okay, let me see. Let's clear this one up. And let's clear this one as well. I'll do 1 hour PD erase. So currently price is over here, and yeah, as I mentioned last week, my draw on liquidity are the relative equal highs over here. So for me it would make sense to trade into this high over here at 22,111.25. Over here we have a volume imbalance which I'm monitoring throughout the week. And as you can see here, we do have a small bearish liquidity void where price can trade into. So 22,152.5, and yeah, so that's what I'm expecting. Maybe some downwards manipulation, creating the low of the week on Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday. And then the main part of the week I expect bullish continuation, trading into the relative equal highs, volume imbalance and potentially the liquidity void. And if price is not doing that, then I'm monitoring it for the very next week. So let me see. Friday we had huge TGIF playing out, trading into the 0.2 level measured from this high down to this low. 0.2 was reached and 0.3 was reached, as you can see, and we closed just below the 0.3 TGIF level. Currently Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so this low, and these lows over here carry sell stops below it. So for me it would make sense for price to open up on Sunday, on Monday trading into the relative equal lows, taking those sell stops and reverse to the upside for the latter part of the week. So we're gonna see how that plan is panning out. Okay, traders, that was it for this week's market game plan for week 6. Next week on Saturday I'll be back here to make a review about coming week's price action, and we're gonna see how price was delivered and which opportunities presented themselves. So for now I want to wish you a very nice weekend and an even better trading week ahead. See ya.